Nevada is one of the world's largest gold-producing entities, and mine and environmental safety has become paramount to modern mining practices. My name is Benjamin Peterson. I'm a professional geologist and licensed drone pilot with McGinley & Associates. With this in mind, McGinley & Associates is utilizing drone technology to safely sample pit lakes in Nevada. Nevada hosts over 40 pit lakes throughout the state. These lakes eventually become part of the ecosystem and may be used as a water source for wildlife. Therefore, pit lakes are routinely monitored for water quality to be protective of human health and the environment. State regulators are now requiring continuous depth profiles of the lake water to identify stratification zones within the lake and to determine at what depths water quality samples should be collected. Typically, these water samples are collected from a boat using a rope and bottle. This technique makes the water samplers prone to hazards such as drowning, hypothermia, exposure to low pH solutions, and rockfall hazards associated with pit wall instability. By sampling pit lakes with drones, all of these risks to the water samplers can be avoided. Building off of efforts by others, McGinley has further developed the technique for use in sampling Nevada pit lakes. The method involves using a HydroSleeve water sampling bag fitted with a lightweight drone cone adapter for surface water sampling. The HydroSleeve allows for discrete depth sampling with sufficient volume for water quality analysis. When compared to using a boat for sample collection, drone technology allows one to sample from the same location without being subject to drift in the wind as experienced when using boats. McGinley has also outfitted our drone with technology that allows for a quick release of the line in the event of a snag or entanglement. This extra safety precaution was added because of the mining industry's emphasis on safe operations. In the event of a snag or entanglement, the line can be released with a flip of a switch by the drone operator, allowing the drone to return safely to land. McGinley is excited to offer this new service line to all of our existing mining clients, as well as new clients in the mining industry that are interested in using this new and safe technology.
Hi, my name is Dan PASTERIS, and I'm a geochemist and hydrologist with McGinley & Associates. As the geochemist, I've worked to ensure that the method produces reliable results that are accepted by regulatory agencies. Samples collected by boat and by drone have shown excellent repeatability.
I'm KANDY Havens. We're at the Aurora, Hecla, Nevada mine, and I am an environmental coordinator. As an environmental coordinator, I work with the NDEP and all other regulators on a regular basis to ensure that the mines stay in compliance with their permits. I think with the drone, it enables us a better ability to be able to pinpoint our sampling location and stay in that location while we're dropping the sampling device. It also is a much safer way to sample the pit lake because no one's out there on the boat trying to manipulate a sampling equipment and take readings. The risk is much lower with the drone.